Hey, what's up everyone? Natalie here from Serpstat, welcoming you back again into our Serpstat series. But before we go ahead and discuss anything about Serpstat, I just want to give you guys a quick idea about this awesome lead generation tool that we have over at Serpstat.com. So as you can see, I am on our landing page. And if you want to get free SEO audit for your websites, then all you have to do is to just input all the needed information on these text boxes and then click on get your free audit, as well as if you're interested in finding out how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month using autopilot, then you can just leave your name and email and we'll go ahead and get you started on that. By the way, the lead generation tool that I've been mentioning or I've been talking about, it will help you get white label audits for your website. So it's very beneficial for you and your business. So this is something that you would want to take advantage of. So don't wait anymore. So after the video, please do go head on over to Serpstat.com. Alrighty, so now that's done. Let's go back to Serpstat. So as you can see, I am on the projects dashboard and we are still working on the Serpstat project. Here, remember that this is a group that we made specifically for this project. So previously we have discussed about domain analysis, which is this part right here. And today's video will be all about keyword research. So let's go ahead and see what those are. So today we'll be talking about the overview of the keyword research feature. So let's go ahead and click on that. So if you have been following this series, as you have may noticed by now, the user interface for Serpstat is very simplistic. You won't find anything fancy here, just instructions and the tool, and then you get the results that you need. So that's amazing. For me it is, because first of all, you wouldn't have any troubles figuring out how one thing works. So this is very straightforward. All you need to do is to input whatever it is being asked from you so that you can get the results that you need. So for example, for this part right here, you only need to enter any keyword and select the database. So keyword that we'll be putting, let's go with SEO agency, because that is SEO agency. Let's do that. And since we are based in the UK, the database that we'll be using is google.co.uk. So let's click on search. So with overviews, it's generally just everything, all of the features all in one place. So later on, when we discuss further into the different categories or subcategories under keyword research, then we'll find out more about these metrics. So here you have the volume, PPC competition, CPC, keyword difficulty, as well as for organic keywords and paid keywords, keyword trends, competitors in organic search, competitors graph, competitors in ads examples. Yeah, that's it. So from what I can remember, it's pretty much the same, or it has the same metrics as domain analysis. So it's mostly just what it focuses on, or what the tool focuses on. For this, it's keyword research, and then for the previous one, it's domains, everything about the domain that you have entered. So which is why on the tool for domain analysis we entered a domain, and for this one we entered a keyword. So that's all you can expect from keyword research. On the next videos, we'll be talking a lot more about the in-depth, or you'll get an in-depth understanding about all of these features on the side, and hopefully we'd be able to utilize most of them, if not all, because of course we have some limitations depending on the subscription that we have. But yeah, that's it actually for our video for today. Hopefully you found this interesting and you tune in on the next videos that we'll be making. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.